In the pantheon of great minds, Aristotle stands as a titan, his influence weaving through the tapestry of Western thought. A philosopher, a polymath, Aristotle's teachings have traversed centuries, touching on myriad facets of human knowledge. From the depths of ethics to the complexities of politics, his insights continue to illuminate the paths of thinkers and seekers alike. Yet, it is in his simple yet profound musings on friendship where we find some of his most enduring wisdom. Consider this poignant reflection: a friend to all is a friend to none. At first glance, it may seem a paradox, especially in our era of digital connections, where the boundaries of friendship stretch across virtual landscapes. But pause and ponder: what does Aristotle reveal to us about the nature of true friendship? This ancient adage invites us to explore the depths of our social bonds, challenging us to discern the essence of genuine connection amidst the myriad interactions that fill our days. 1. The essence of true connection. Aristotle teaches us that true friendship is akin to a rare gem, precious and scarce. In a world where our social circles can span continents, he nudges us to question: are these connections the bedrock of genuine friendship? Imagine a tree, its branches widespread, yet its deepest strength lies in the roots that delve into the earth. Similarly, Aristotle implores us to cherish those few deep roots over the multitude of fleeting branches. 2. The wisdom of selective bonding. In the pursuit of genuine friendships, Aristotle heralds the virtue of selectiveness. The adage, quality over quantity, finds its echo in his philosophy. In our current age, where social media often blurs the line between acquaintance and friend, Aristotle's wisdom resonates louder. He prompts us to consider: in the sea of faces we call friends, how many can we turn to in our hour of need? His teachings guide us to cultivate fewer, but richer, more meaningful relationships, much like a gardener tending to a carefully chosen array of plants. 3. Self-discovery through intimate friendships. Aristotle further delves into the role of friendship as a mirror for self-reflection. True friends, he posits, are those who reflect back at us not just what we wish to see, but the unvarnished truth. Through these intimate bonds, we embark on a journey of self-discovery. They challenge us, encourage our growth, and help us navigate the tumultuous seas of self-doubt and transformation. These friendships are not merely social connections, they are the crucibles within which our characters are refined. 4. Trust and loyalty as pillars of friendship. Diving deeper, Aristotle elevates trust and loyalty as the cornerstone of any lasting friendship. In a world rife with transient relationships, these virtues stand as beacons of hope. Imagine a fortress, unyielding and steadfast. Such should be the trust in true friendships. Loyalty, on the other hand, is the unwavering commitment, the promise of standing by each other through the vicissitudes of life. Aristotle's insights beckon us to cherish and uphold these values, recognizing them as the foundation upon which enduring friendships are built. In these first 2 sections, we've begun to unravel the layers of Aristotle's profound statement. As we delve deeper into his philosophy, we uncover the timeless relevance of his wisdom, guiding us in our quest for meaningful connections. 5. Balancing sociability with integrity. Aristotle's wisdom extends to the delicate balance between being sociable and maintaining one's integrity. He prompts us to consider: how do we navigate the social sphere while staying true to our values? This lesson is particularly resonant in an age where societal pressures and the desire for acceptance can lead us astray from our true selves. Aristotle encourages a harmony between adapting to social environments and holding steadfast to our personal principles. It's like a dance, where one must move with the rhythm of society yet never lose their own step. 6. The digital age and redefining friendship. In today's digital age, Aristotle's insights take on new significance. Social media platforms have redefined the concept of friendship, transforming how we connect and interact. Aristotle, a philosopher centuries ahead of his time, compels us to question the depth and authenticity of these modern connections. Are these digital friendships akin to the profound bonds he described, or merely shadows of true companionship? His teachings encourage us to sift through our online interactions, seeking those that truly enrich our lives and mirror the ideals of trust, loyalty, and mutual growth. 7. Aristotle's broader philosophy of friendship. Lastly, Aristotle's perspective on friendship transcends mere social interaction, intertwining with his broader philosophy on life and happiness. He viewed friendship not just as a necessary part of life but as an essential component of a fulfilling and virtuous life. True friendships, according to Aristotle, contribute to our happiness, as they offer support, companionship, and a shared journey towards the good life. In this, we find a powerful reminder of the role our friends play in our quest for a meaningful existence. In synthesizing these lessons, we find that Aristotle's "a friend to all is a friend to none" is not just a statement about friendship, but a profound commentary on the human condition. In an era where the meaning of friendship is continually evolving, Aristotle's wisdom remains a guiding light, showing us the path to genuine, enriching connections. Aristotle's profound insights extend beyond this quote. Consider his reflection, "The more you know you don't know." This humbling thought complements his teachings on friendship, reminding us of the endless journey of learning and self-discovery. Together, these quotes encapsulate a philosophy that values depth, in knowledge, in relationships, in life. As we reflect on Aristotle's teachings, we are reminded of the timeless nature of his wisdom. His understanding of friendship and knowledge transcends the boundaries of time, offering guidance and insight in our modern world. We are encouraged to look beyond the surface in our relationships, to seek friends who challenge and grow with us, and to embrace the never-ending journey of learning. In doing so, we honor the legacy of one of history's greatest philosophers, finding relevance and meaning in his words, centuries after they were first uttered. And so, dear viewers, as we navigate the complexities of our world, let us carry with us the wisdom of Aristotle, applying his timeless insights to our lives. May we cultivate friendships that are deep and meaningful, and may we always remain humble in our pursuit of knowledge. Subscribe, share, and comment on how Aristotle's teachings have influenced your understanding of friendship and knowledge. Join us in this journey of exploration, echoing the wisdom of antiquity into our modern lives.